Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today we're learning one of the most satisfying brush techniques in acrylic painting, the double loading method. This entire project is beginner-friendly, relaxing, and perfect for building confidence with your brush control and color blending. Before we begin, take a moment to pause the video and gather your supplies. Let's start with the background. Squeeze a few drops of sky blue, titanium white, cobalt blue, burnt umber, and lamp black directly onto your canvas in the pattern shown. With a slightly wet flat brush, begin blending in crisscross strokes. Move across the canvas from top to bottom, switching to long horizontal strokes as the colors merge. Take your time with this step. A smooth, well-blended background makes the whole painting feel polished. Keep your strokes soft and even. This will create a smooth gradient. Let the colors transition smoothly. Next, we'll begin using the double loading technique. Load one side of your angular brush with sap green and the other with light green. Create leaf shapes in the lower half of your canvas using short, curved strokes. Change the angle of your brush as you work so the leaves feel natural and varied. Overlap some, leave small gaps between others, and add a touch of lemon yellow to highlight a few of the brighter leaves. Now clean your brush and load it again, this time with purple on one side and magenta on the other. Start at the top of the canvas and create small upward strokes to form the top of your first flower cone. As you work downward, widen your strokes slightly to build the cone shape. Clean your brush again and load it with magenta and white to add a second layer of petals for color variation. Repeat this technique using cobalt blue and white to create a second cone flower. Remember, the key to success is to use thick paint, clean your brush between color changes, and keep your strokes confident and consistent. Next, switch to a filbert brush and load one side with orange and the other with yellow. Gently press outward to create rounded petals for your larger flowers. Lift your brush at the end of each stroke to curve the edges. Make a full circle of petals and repeat the process using different color combinations, such as magenta and yellow or magenta, white, and orange. Take your time with this step. This technique naturally gives each petal a soft gradient that makes the flowers glow. With a small flat brush, add stems using burnt umber and create small bushes using light green mixed with lemon yellow. Finish each flower by tapping small dots in the center to bring everything to life. As you complete your painting, take a moment to enjoy how the double loading technique creates natural blends and beautiful color transitions without extra effort. Thank you for painting with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. You can continue your painting journey through our free challenges, free mini course, and limited-time community thank you pricing. Visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses to explore all of your options. We can't wait to paint with you again soon.